Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So file manager is not working, so some update has coming, that's why, and any other issues. So please, how to troubleshoot? So guys, you clicking to not open and not showing data, so different issues facing. Okay, so firstly guys, click to start button, means Windows button, and click to setting, then select systems, scroll down, sorry, Windows update, and check any pending update. If your any update pending, so please install and then check. Now second method is open file manager, click to three tab options, and we want to clear cache. Okay, clear, click to clear. Actually working background, that's why it's not only single click automatically clear, and then okay, and then okay, and close. Then guys, click again start button, CMD, right click or run as administrator, yes, CHK DSK space C column space /F, then enter, and then check you next time to system restart. You can, yes, okay, then your system restart, and you checked your system will start 2 to 3 minutes late for one time, and repair and restoring and all doing some facing the problem, so solve 100%. Okay, please check and comment me what we do. Okay, bye bye, take care.